What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting, delight, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one was about, in fact, it's just like it's a house opening. The CEO of Vintage Interior, one of the most expensive cotton dealer in Lagos, Nigeria, and also he's from MBC in Imo State. Yes, he launched a brand new house, celebrated his wedding anniversary and the mother birthday, all of them together, and he brought in loads and loads of celebrities, dignitaries, and name them. Daddy Shoki, Obi Kubana, the list is endless. They were all there to celebrate this very mighty and loving building you're seeing here. That's the highlights I'll be bringing to you here on the channel. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, because your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome here on the channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the video.
This is the senator. The only way is the senatorial district. When you go somewhere, you go see people. They go see senator. Who's going to go here? Take her from Shoki Baba to Shoki Baba. If I don't hear you, I don't hear. 1 a.m. don't disappear. Wait, Osagara. Leonard partner to illustrate partner. All of them follow me. Osagara, you already? Thank you. Where I come. Osagara, already? You don't already? Do something, we must stop. That's all. This is the vintage. In a vintage world, on a vintage mansion. Also, I gotta follow me. Let's go. Pankelebe, Sashi. Make a blow. Oh yeah. Yes.
Tropa No, when you don't talk to a papa person, a papa person,
this a deep night. Yes, sir. If you see my mama, Hosanna, tell her, Hosanna, today. Happy birthday, man. No kind, no shake. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Congratulations.
Nwanne chube ego maka ego amaka. Money is good, yes. Money is one beautiful thing that everyone has to really work hard to achieve, get it, live a good life, and stay off debt, stay off, and again, when you make money, I keep saying it, when you make money, you try as much as possible as well to make friends, because these are the people who watch your back when things might not really be rosy again. And at the same time, there are still the people that will always connect you to the bigger deal, the big deal that will make someone stay at the top. You saw how the whole house opening was. It was fun all through. Daddy Shoki, Chief Priest, Kanayo. The list is endless. A whole lot of people were there to celebrate this amazing time there with the CEO of Vintage Interior. Anyway, guys, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section congratulating this guy. It's not easy to put up such a beautiful mansion. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. See you guys on my next video.